If you're over 60, you've likely heard endless advice about the importance of balance. But the reality of daily life can be overwhelming. Finding the time, energy, and motivation for long, complicated workouts can feel impossible. So, day after day goes by, and that feeling of unsteadiness might be quietly growing, making you more hesitant, more cautious, and more fearful of a potential fall. It's a common story, but it absolutely does not have to be yours. What if I told you that the key to transforming your balance and securing your independence isn't about adding another hour-long commitment to your day? What if the secret lies in a powerful, yet incredibly brief daily habit? Welcome to what I call your 5-minute balance non-negotiable. This isn't just another workout, it's a new daily ritual, as essential as brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. The science is clear. Short, consistent bursts of targeted balance training are often more effective at retraining your nervous system than infrequent, longer sessions. By dedicating just 5 minutes each day, you are sending a powerful, consistent signal to your brain and body, reminding them how to work together to keep you stable, strong, and upright. This small commitment is one of the greatest investments you can make in your long-term health and freedom. In this video, I am going to guide you through the ultimate 5-minute daily balance routine. We will focus on 3 fundamental exercises that, when combined, create a complete 360-degree balance workout. For each exercise, I will explain exactly what to do, and you will see clear images on your screen demonstrating the correct form. We'll focus on your foundation, your forward stability, and your ability to handle multi-directional movements. Forget the overwhelm. It's time to embrace the power of a simple, daily habit. If you are ready to build a new foundation for your stability in just 5 minutes a day, let's begin. Our first exercise in this daily routine is the standing calf raise or heel lift. This movement is fundamentally important because it strengthens your ankles and feet, which are the very foundation of a building. If the foundation is weak, the entire structure is unstable. Your calf muscles and ankles are your body's first responders to a loss of balance, making constant, tiny adjustments to keep you centered. Strengthening them is non-negotiable for improving your stability. Let's look at the images on your screen to understand the correct form. First, find a sturdy chair, a countertop, or a wall for support. As you see in the first image, you will place your hands lightly on this support. You are only using it for balance, not to hold your weight. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart, with your toes pointing straight ahead. Your posture should be tall and proud, shoulders back, chest lifted, and your core gently engaged. This is your starting position. Now look at the second image. This shows the peak of the movement. To get here, take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, press down through the balls of your feet to slowly lift your heels up off the floor as high as you comfortably can. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head towards the ceiling, making you grow taller. At the top, pause for 1 or 2 seconds, really feeling the engagement in your calf muscles. This pause is crucial. Then, with just as much control, slowly lower your heels back down to the starting position. The goal is to perform 10 to 15 of these slow, controlled repetitions. A common mistake, which you should avoid, is rising up too quickly or letting your heels drop heavily. Another is letting your ankles roll outwards. As you see in the images, the ankles should remain straight and stable throughout the movement. By making this simple calf raise a part of your daily 5-minute routine, you are ensuring that the very foundation of your balance remains strong, responsive, and ready to keep you steady throughout your day. Now that we've strengthened our foundation, our second exercise, marching in place with high knees, will improve your dynamic balance. This is the balance you use every single time you walk. Walking is essentially a series of controlled moments of standing on one leg. If your ability to stabilize on one leg is weak, your steps can become a shuffle, and you might feel a side-to-side wobble. This exercise directly retrains your brain and body for a more stable, confident walking pattern. Please look at the images on your screen for guidance. Continue to stand tall, holding onto your sturdy chair or countertop for light support. Your starting position is the same, feet hip-width apart and good upright posture. Remember, this support is for safety, so don't grip it tightly unless you feel you need it. Now, let's begin the march as shown in the demonstration images. First, shift your weight slightly onto your left leg. Then, slowly lift your right knee up towards your chest. The image shows the ideal height. Aiming for your thigh to be close to parallel with the floor is a great goal, but only lift as high as you can while maintaining perfect control. Notice how the person in the image keeps an upright posture, avoiding the common mistake of leaning the torso to the side as the knee comes up. The work should come from your hip flexors and your core. For an added balance challenge, you can pause for 1 or 2 seconds when your knee is at its highest point, just like you see in the picture. This brief hold dramatically increases the stability work for your standing leg. Then, slowly lower your right foot back to the floor. Next, shift your weight to your right leg and repeat the movement by slowly lifting your left knee. You will continue this alternating march in a smooth, continuous rhythm. Focus on your breathing and keep your gaze looking straight ahead, not down at your feet. Slow, controlled movements are much more effective than fast, jerky ones. By performing this exercise for about 45 seconds to a minute each day, you are practicing one of the most functional movements for real-life stability. It directly translates to a steadier walk and more confidence when you move. Our third and final exercise is the clock reach. This is a fantastic exercise for developing multi-directional balance. Many falls happen not when we are walking straight, but when we have to move or react in other directions, reaching to the side, stepping backward, or turning unexpectedly. This exercise safely challenges your stability in multiple planes of motion, preparing your body and brain for the unpredictable nature of the real world. Let's use the images on screen to break down the clock reach. First, stand on one leg. In the first image, you see the person standing on their left leg while holding onto a chair for support with their left hand. The standing knee should be slightly bent, not locked. Now, imagine you are standing in the center of a giant clock face on the floor. Your standing foot is in the very middle. Your other leg, the one that is free, will act as the hand of the clock. As you see in the next image, the goal is to gently tap the numbers on the clock. Keeping your posture tall, slowly extend your free foot forward and gently tap the spot where 12 o'clock would be. Then, bring it back to the center. Next, as shown in the third image, slowly extend your foot directly out to the side and gently tap 3 o'clock, or 9 o'clock, if you're using your left foot. Bring it back to the center. Finally, as you see in the last image, slowly extend your foot behind you to gently tap 6 o'clock. That completes one repetition. The key is to keep the movement in your moving leg slow and controlled, and to keep your standing leg stable. Avoid the common mistake of bending excessively at the waist or leaning your whole body. The real challenge is for the muscles in your standing leg to make all the small adjustments to keep you balanced. Only reach as far as you feel safe. A small, controlled tap is much better than a large, wobbly reach. Perform 3 to 5 full clock repetitions on one leg, then carefully switch and perform the same number on the other leg. This exercise is a true stability powerhouse, building the strength and coordination you need to handle movements in any direction. And there you have it, 3 fundamental exercises that create a complete 360-degree daily balance workout. In just 5 minutes, you've worked on your foundation with calf raises, your forward dynamic stability with marching in place, and your multi-directional control with the clock reach. Congratulations on taking this powerful step for your health. The real magic of this routine, however, isn't in its complexity, but in its consistency. The most important question now is, how do you make this a non-negotiable part of your daily life? The secret is to habit stack. Link this new 5-minute routine to an existing habit you already do every single day. For example, you could decide to do this routine every morning while you wait for your coffee to brew. Or you could do it in the afternoon as a movement break. By anchoring this new routine to an established one, you remove the guesswork and it becomes automatic. Remember, you are not just exercising, You are actively communicating with your nervous system. You are reminding it how to keep you safe and building a balance reserve for when you encounter an unexpected trip. This 5-minute investment is one of the most powerful forms of insurance you can give yourself. Insurance for your independence and your confidence. Be proud of every session you complete. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's perfectly normal. What matters is that you showed up for yourself. If you are committing to trying this 5-minute daily routine, I would be so honored if you would let me and our community know. Please go to the comment section and type "My 5-minute commitment" to share that you're starting this journey. Seeing your commitment inspires so many others. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. And of course, please subscribe for more simple, practical, and effective health strategies for seniors. We are here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for your time and your effort today. Keep up the amazing work. Stay strong, stay steady, and we'll see you in the next video.